Hello and welcome back to our series. We have previously done some video on file with file, this GUI with file, but now I will insert this value in my database. First of all, let's remove this command of read file, and we will only disable this file. We will not insert anything in this file, and we will make this in next video. Let's make this. We need not to change this now, and we need to change this value. We need not to add a file here. This we need not anything here. First of all, I want to make on jam server here. I will make with jam server here. I have opened this jam server and I will run my Chrome browser and make the view of localhost and go to phpMyAdmin. Should make me login here, phpMyAdmin. It is not log, yes, it has been logged me here. Let's see here. I have already one project, that is Python. I will create here table name. You can create here on for database here, and I have already a database, and I will make here table testing. I will make it test, and we have, I think we may have 4 field here. Let's run it and see it. Yes, we have 1 2 3 4 field. I'll make name, email, password and a comment. I will make here name. I will make here email. I will make this with password and comment. Let's say that I have used this in some purpose, so I am getting this value, and I will make this, I think this I should make email as a primary key, so that we can change update value in our coming series. We will make this from here, primary key here. Okay, go and save it. Here maybe the option of save. Here I have saved it, and it will show me the structure here. Yes, I am getting a structure here. Now we have to insert here data from this. I have get this value and I have to insert. First of all, we have to make the connection here. I will define one variable connection is equal to py my. First of all, we have to import here, import py mysql. You have to import this mysql. We have already installed in previous series, and I will show you how to install here. We have to go to C drive where we have installed Python, and we have to go script, and here we have to type here. When it's come like this address, remove this and type here simply command cmd and type pip insta install py mysql. I have already installed this, so it should give me some error or some message of you have installed it. Up to when it is giving me some has already satisfied this here, and I will as already import here SQL. I have to connect this. First of all, we have to define host. In my case, this is localhost. If you are using server, web server, then you can pass here IP address or the website link of your server. Here user is in case of mine it is simply root, and I have password of null, and I want to connect with database. Which database we will see here. This is the database name. I will copy it and paste it so that we will get right answer here. And db is equal to, we will paste here simply Python. Now we have to make here one cursor here. We will make this also a global. Cursor is equal to connection dot cursor. Let's globalize this. We need not to write this here. Global, see, because we have already executed this in this and this cursor. Here cursor dot execute. We will make the query here. I will make query is equal to QUE, or query is equal to insert into, we have table. What is the table name here? I should give, this is test, into test, where value test have the columns of name, comma, email, comma, password, and comment with values, value I have to pass this and concatenate here. Pass here value with, let's pass it here again. Here I have to pass simply, I will directly pass here, and here I will pass the name. This should be below, this should be below this, sorry, this should be below the line of this. I will pass here name, and it should be concatenate with this sign and comma, and concatenate it with email, and I have to pass here this sign also, because we have to need to pass with this like this. I will show here like this, and this data in variable we have to pass this as in the SQL. So I am making this here an email, and I will pass here same and comma, and this, let's copy it. It will be easy for us if we copy this, paste it. This is password, and again paste it. We need not to write this here. It should give like this here, and let's correct here if we are getting some here while pasting. Why it is giving me, yes, it is giving me right here. It should be like this, and terminate this. We have to again keep this bracket here. bracket here, this is enclosing here with this, and this comma will be encloses here, and this will execute here query. After executing this, it will, if it does not give me error, it will paste it. Let's run it. Oh, I have made some difference here. I will edit all here because they are of integer type. I don't need this because I need all varchar. This is varchar, and this is variable characters, and this is of 50 odd, this is of 100 words, this is of 32 words, and this may be of 100 words, and save it. Now it should be right here. Yes, it is right here. I will try to run this module and see what it will do for me. If it is not giving me error here, and email @email.com, and password is equal to password, and I will write this. This is comment, and we are using TI multi-line in database. If we submit this, yes, it has been not giving any error, so it should be pasted here, but I am not getting here anything here. Let's see if the table is test as test, but it should give me some error or something, but it is not giving me anything, and it is making me. Let's see what is in the error here. It should be in here, this position. I think we have, let's make this here, so that we will make this later, change this later, Control V, this should be here, and let me make cursor dot commit, let's make this commit, and we have to close the connection, so we can get the values here. Will close, and here is no cursor, we have to pass connection here, so connection should be committed here, so that we will get the result. Let's run and see if we get. We will make example example.com. This is password will be same as password. I will make this is comment in multiple line and submit this. We have not get error, and this time this should, yes, we have get this here. So don't forget to do this. Sometime this mind change here, we have to commit here, and we have to close the connection so that we can get the result. This is how we have inserted in the database, and in next video we will read from database, and we will work with checkbox, radio buttons, and something like country view that will read data from database, and we will able to make grid like this, same table like this table. This it will not show delete, copy, edit, but it will say name, email, password, comment in tabular form, and when we click that form, we we will be able to correct or update that value in coming series. Thank you for watching this series. We will meet soon in next series. Let's close it and let's comment our video, and we will meet in next video.